Very dark man, what have I done to you again to deserve all this?
All right, so quickly, let me show you how I made this video. Let me show you how I made this video quickly of Billot crying. All right, so if you're a new creator, or you want to go into Faceless YouTube channel, or you want to learn how to create animations videos like this ones you've just seen now, let me quickly show you in 1 minute how I made these videos, and you can see all these animation videos are going viral. You can just be creating content about it, do posting it, and then you can I don't know, you can be using it for faceless content on Facebook or TikTok. It's having more views, and you can be making your money through it. Right. All right, so let me show you how to create all these videos that are going viral. What you need is that first of all, you need to download this app that is called Grok. You need to download Grok. What we are going to be using here are two different apps. This is how you are going to make this kind of video using these two different apps. One is Grok, and the second one is ChatGPT, which popularly everybody knows. Firstly, you have to go and open up your Grok. When you open up your Grok, this is the interface. If you've not signed in, you sign in and log in. Once you log in, this is the interface. This is how it will appear. All right, I want you to switch over to this side that says imagine. You switch over to the imagine part, and then let me head over. I will head over to my ChatGPT and generate my scripts. All right, so my script, the script that I will be using is, let me just go ahead and copy this. All right, so I will head over. So I will head over to my ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate. I just press generate a video script of VDM saying Billot, if you come for me, you are the victim, and if I also come for you, you are also the victim. That's for the first scene, and the second scene will be Billot crying, saying, very dark man, what have I done to you again to deserve all this? All right, so I will tell you, have to, you make it brave, and tell ChatGPT to generate this video script for you. Then you hit on go ahead. Then ChatGPT will go ahead and generate this video script for you. Once ChatGPT generates this video script for you, what you want to do is to go ahead and copy this video script. Now you can see ChatGPT analyzing all these things and then giving you a result. The scene one is outdoor setting, very dark man standing confidently, camera slowing, zoom in, and then VDM, calm but confident tune. Billot, if you come for me, you are the victim. So what I want to do now is I will go ahead and copy from this, from where we have scene one. I will go ahead and copy this. Go ahead and copy this. Now, after copying this, you head over to your Grok. Once you go to your Grok, don't forget we already open up and sign up. If you don't know how to download or do anything with Grok, you can go to the Play Store, search for Grok. Now you have to make sure that you have the pictures of what you want to generate already, or the person or anything. You have the pictures of, for instance, now I have the pictures of Very Dark Man which I want to use, and I have a picture of Billot already. If you don't have that, you can go online and search for pictures of Billot or Very Dark Man. So I will head over. Let me use this Very Dark Man picture. And I will click on, once I click on done, it brings it here. Then I will click what you need. I want you to switch to make a video. Now when you switch to make a video, you start loading. Then here is where you are going to paste your prompt. All right, so I will go ahead and paste my prompts here. Then I will hit on generate. You allow it to generate. Wait patiently for it to generate. After generating this, so don't forget we are generating it scene by scene. This is the first scene. All right, so let's see the result that is going to give us. And once it's finished generating, this is how the video is going to look like.
Lord, if you come for me, you are the victim. And if I also come for you.
So I think why this is cutting is it needs at least of 6 seconds to generate this. All right. Sometimes if you are trying to generate voiceover and you notice that this voiceover is not really giving you what you want, whereas the video scene is giving you what you want, you can go ahead and use 11 laps. You can go ahead and use 11 laps to generate your voiceover. Then when you use your 11 laps to generate your voiceover, you carry it, you picked your voiceover and then import it into CapCut or any other editing video app you are going to use to edit this. Then you put your voiceover, because what I'm noticing is that this very Grok sometimes may not give you the actual sound or the actual the vibes you want. All right, so just use this, generate this video, and then
if you come for me, you're a victim. And if I also come for you, you're still.
all right, so what I will do now is I will save this video.
You're a victim.
I will download this video. Then I will head over to my ChatGPT to copy the second scene whereby Billot will be crying. All right. So this is where the second scene starts from. Okay. I will copy from here. I'll copy from here down to here. Then I'll copy and head over to my Grok. Now I will remove this first. I'll go over. Let me go and import the photo. Let me look for Billot photos that I have here. I'll go ahead and choose the photo, and then you click on done. Now we are going to use this photo to generate the video. Don't forget, before you can generate the video, you need to have a photo of this. Now when you finish this, just click on make a video from here. Once you import it, click on make a video, where you are seeing make a video here. Once the video started counting like what we are seeing here, you want to click on type or customize video. Now you paste that your script here, and then hit on generate. It will continue, it will start generating based on the script you are giving it. As you can see, this is 1%. We have to wait for it to finish generating. Okay, so let's wait. All right, so no, that's not what we asked to generate. If it's if you finish generating and it's not what you asked to generate, you have to go ahead, know that there's a problem. Now let's type in our prompt again. It's saying something different from what we asked him to generate. Okay, all right, this is what you asked him to generate. Let's see what will comes up this time.
That man, what have I done to you again to deserve
All right,
all
so
this?
this is what you asked him to generate. You will now go ahead and save this video. Now when you save this video, I want you to go ahead. I will not be using CapCut on this video. I will be using InShot. Why I want to use InShot is because CapCut sometimes, if you are going to use CapCut the free version, you'll be having the CapCut sign or overlay will be showing. Meanwhile, with InShot, I can go ahead and then remove the InShot overlay, and then I'll be using the video without any overlay or any, so I'll go ahead and choose my video. The first one, I will import a very dark man saying, if you come for me, you are the victim. If I also come for you, you are also the victim. Okay, let's play it. All right, so you click on the video to enlarge so that it will cover the aspect ratio. Now if you go over here, you see that the aspect ratio is 9:16. All right, and that's what we want. Let me play it again. All right, so after this one, you go ahead and import blot part complaining. Now let it be like this. All right, so once it works out, all right, so you're going to tap on the video and then brings it closer, expand it so that it can cover the whole space. Don't forget, don't leave anywhere blank. Okay, so we can go ahead and click on the last part, okay, to add some effects or filter, whatever. If you want to change the quality or whatever. All right, so before before slicing, let's add some effect like this or this. Okay, I think that's okay. I don't want the part whereby it's working out. I don't want that part to be big. I just want it to be kind of, once it's finished, saying it's still, you are still. Okay. Okay, all right, so that's okay. I'll go ahead, where we have this insert sign, I'll click on the insert sign. I'll click on remove so that I can remove the insert overlay button. But I don't want it will start playing ads, which I don't want those annoying ads here. After playing the ads, the insert button will be removed. So because of the purpose, I will just go ahead and export it. Now when you export it, you can go ahead to any of your browser and then export it. Okay, so that's how you can create these simple videos using Grok. All right, so you can go ahead and try it and let me know if it works for you. Don't forget, this Prince David drop. If you are not following this channel, you can do where to follow. I dropped some necessary, it's what I know that we can, as a new creator or whatever, you need to grow on social media. And I also drop tips on how to edit videos, how to go about on social media, how to improve your social media handle. So you can go ahead and check others of my video. I have a video here which I made on how I grew my YouTube channel, to how you can grow your YouTube channel faster, like when I mean faster, speed, like getting it to like 2K subscriber, 1K, 2K subscriber in a period of 3 months, sorry, 3 days only. And I also have a video which I made here on how you can, there are many videos. Just go ahead, check my videos. If you've not subscribed, subscribe. If you've not done this, I have a video here which I made on how you can create a UK TikTok for free. Right, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then drop a comment if this works for you. If you have any challenge, don't forget to hit me up. I also reply to every comment. Thank you.